With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear student. So in the question, a crop of wheat removes 20 kg of nitrogen. A crop of wheat removes 20 kg of nitrogen per hectare of soil. What mass of fertilizer calcium nitrate would be required to replace the nitrogen in 910 hectare field? 910 hectare field. So this is the question. So how can we solve this question? This question can be solved as below. 20 kg of nitrogen. A wheat of crop removes 20 kg of nitrogen per hectare. So 910 hectare. Now, since (20 kg of nitrogen), or we can write here 1 hectare, since 1 hectare field requires 20 kg nitrogen, N2, or nitrogen is equals to 20 kg. 20 kg means 20,000 gram. 20,000 gram. Hence, 910 hectare. 910 hectare field will require nitrogen equals to 20,000 into 910 gram. This will come 182 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gram. This much of nitrogen will be required for 910 hectare of field. Now, the molar mass of nitrogen is molar mass of calcium nitrate, Ca3 whole twice. CaNO3 whole twice is equals to 1 mole calcium means 40 gram. Nitrogen 2 moles means 14 plus 14, 28, plus oxygen 3 into 2, 6 moles, so 6 into 16, 96, and this comes 164 gram. 164 gram per mole. Now, in 164 gram calcium nitrate, nitrogen is 28 gram. So the question is, what mass of fertilizer calcium nitrate would be required? Here, 164 gram. In this question, molar mass of calcium nitrate 164 gram. This means, since in 164 gram mass of nitrogen is 28 gram, since 28 gram nitrogen is given by how much calcium nitrate? 164 gram of calcium nitrate. 164 gram of calcium nitrate, NO3 whole twice. Hence, for 910 hectare field, how much nitrogen required? 182 5 times 0 gram. Hence, 182, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gram nitrogen will be given by how much calcium nitrate? 164 upon 28 into 182 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gram of calcium nitrate, CaNO3 whole twice. Upon solving, we get this equals to 106 and 0, 106 6 0 0 0 0 gram. This will come. This is in gram, and question is asked in kilogram. So this will be in kilogram, equal to 106 6 1 2 106 0 0 1 0 more come here, 106 6 0 0 1 2 3 upon 1000 kilogram. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 and this will come 106 6 0 0 kilogram. This much kilogram, 106 600 kilogram of nitrogen of calcium nitrate will be required. So answer is this. Answer of this question will be 106 600 kilogram of calcium nitrate will be required for 910 hectare field. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.